This is Ashley. Ashley is a wedding photographer in a small town of Bedford Falls and just launched a beautiful website she created with Showit. Now that she's online, she wants to be ready to connect with her website visitors in a way that converts them to paying clients. Simply publishing her website doesn't automatically notify the world that her site exists, nor does it let Google and other search engines know that her content is ready to be listed in their search results. Fortunately, Ashley is a resourceful and hardworking entrepreneur who laughs in the face of challenges. Ashley has a plan. Ashley has already published stunning galleries with Showit to showcase the beautiful moments she's captured. But to better target her ideal client, upper to middle class unmarried couples in Bedford Falls, she's publishing some blog articles that will be helpful and compelling to those couples, whether or not they decide to use her services. Here's one of them: the 5 best wedding venues in Bedford Falls. Ashley has become well acquainted with a few wedding vendor owners in her town, and she already has beautiful photos of those locations from the previous weddings she shot. In the article, she makes sure that important keywords like Bedford Falls, wedding, wedding venue, wedding location, and wedding photography are all sprinkled throughout the blog post. Since she only works locally, Ashley knows how important it is to specify Bedford Falls in her title and throughout her article. She also links to the venue websites. Then, Ashley shoots a friendly email to each of the venues she has included in her article, letting them know that they have been featured on her website and that she would love it if they added a link to the article on their own website. Ashley has just made some big steps in the 2 most important factors in getting people to her website. 1. Create relevant content for her local target market. 2. Get other websites to link to her website. Now, Ashley can build on this via social media and in-person conversations. The great thing about how this works for real people is that it's what makes search engines like Google rank your site better. Ashley has lots of other ideas for new articles that would be relevant to her ideal clients. My favorite Bedford Falls engagement photo locations, 20 beautiful wedding gowns for small-town bridal, how to choose a wedding caterer in Bedford Falls, my top 50 wedding photos in Bedford Falls. There are other technical ways to further improve Ashley's SEO, like using proper headings throughout her articles, verifying her site with Google Search Console, and submitting a sitemap. But the vast majority of her SEO success will be due to 2 major factors. 1. Relevant content written for her local target market. 2. Links from other websites to hers. Both of these take hard work, but will contribute to a higher ranking website and help better serve her community and grow her business.